What's up guys, Express here, back with another redesigning. We're gonna redesign them, see how it turns out, and you know the drill. This is like not the first redesign video, but it's been a while, so I thought let's do that again. We have the first design, Darling in the Franxx design, which is really nice, but I think the color combination could have been a bit better. That's all. It's from 0. I'm just gonna start removing a couple of layers. Okay, we have the text placement. I'm gonna keep. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna give it a stroke on the outside, make it a tad smaller, something like that. Could fit. Okay, like so. I think that's better. I think, yeah, that could work. This could work if I turn that around. I wanna put it in there, but I do not know where though. Let's put it there for now. Let's see. We have this one as well. Also going to give it another color like that. Yes, that's better. Okay, stars. Okay, these stars will maybe fit still. I put them there. There you go. Now the stars are still on top of it with the text, you know. And then we have this main render, but I do not like the quality, so I'll ditch that. And then I found some that I kind of like, so I'll put them in. This one, I kind of like the vibe of these. I don't know why, but you know, we could use them or not. Have his renders. I don't know if I'll keep using them. We have more PNGs. We have these crosses. Could be used for this. And then a different color overlay, something like that. And I'm also going to put that beneath the clipping mask and give it like a lower opacity, something like that color, and then this color as well, and then gradient map, boom. Then maybe this red doesn't fit the overall theme anymore. I'm gonna change that to this as well. And then these dots, we can still use these dots, yeah. Maybe a different color as well, maybe lighter blue. Yes. Let's make that a lot smaller. Something like this. And we do like the same thing on the left, but then on the right. Maybe with a different color. Like so. We're giving her a color overlay like that as well. But I need to cut out the shadows, because it doesn't fit my shadows. Like so. There you go. Okay, and now we just add the final touches, because I don't want to spend too much time on this. The first redesign, I think the outcome was really nice. Before and after. I know the colors are different, the renders are different, but the text is still the same. Or the design, it's completely different, but you know, I kind of like how it turned out. It's more of cute kind of style. But let me know what you think of it, what you think of the redesign. It's a bit simple, but I kind of like it. So yeah, up to the next one. Well, up to the second design, we have a Shinobu header. I'm just going to remove all the color correction, like so. It's a completely different header if you do that. It's completely different. I'm not going to spend too much time on this one, because again, I spent way too much time on the first one and changed it too much. So I just maybe positioning something different, move some stuff. Yeah, something like that. Color changes. Too many renders, too many PNGs, too many bobbies. Like, so this one in the back, okay, that's another like light stuff. This in the back is like unnecessary at all for me. All of this render, the text could be like a bit more spicy though. Kind of like these hearts and this text, so I'll keep that sort of style. You could maybe add a gradient map with, of course, a purple theme that fits the character. Like so. That's kind of cool. And then we have this main render that I'll put more in the center, and also turn it around a bit and make it a bit bigger. like so. So it's more attention on this main one, which I'll keep on the positioning. Also, you have this watermark, what you can do with that is you can take your clone stamp brush and you can press Alt and then just try to remove it as good as nicely as possible with a clone stamp. There you go, and it's removed and the watermark is gone, and it's not distracting you. Panels, which I kind of like, but I'll remove a couple of them. Then you have these brushes and this one as well, which are nice. So I'll duplicate this one, Ctrl J, then Ctrl T, and I'll make them a lot bigger and like put them in the back. Something like that. I think that's a bit better. Okay, there you go. Then the main render, we can also like try to add a gradient map on top of that with like maybe a hue, something like that. I think fits 10 times better. And then we have this glow effect, which I kind of like. I'll put that there and duplicate it as well. There you go. Like there's 2 of them. I need to do it on top of that then, like so. I'm going to make this a lot bigger, like so. I'm going to put a filter noise, add a noise on that kind of blue on top, like that's the moon shining and everything. Jesus Christ, what is that? Gold-like CC? Dude, what does it make? It makes your header look like absolute dog. Okay, we will not do that. We'll do a little bit of the camera raw filter, so I'll duplicate that. I kind of like that. And what he had as well, he had like the blur on the sides, which we maybe can do as well with a bit of Gaussian blur. And then my eraser tool, and then erase the middle part. Not gonna lie, I kind of like the pink vibe with it. Okay, I think that is it. If you look at the difference between what he had and what I had, I mean, it's a complete difference. His is like really dark and not visible at all with a hella weird text and everything. Mine is a bit lighter, a bit simpler, but I mean, if I wanted to put some more time into it, I could probably redo the text and make the header pop out 10 times more. But I want to keep his kind of style, but like add my own spin to it, add more my kind of style to it. Simpler thing that I like, because this CC or this color correction of his is really hard and really dark. Not really my cup of tea, but if you guys like it, that's of course your. Let me know which kind of videos you also want to see in the future, and if you want to have your own design redesigned by me, post them in my Discord, link is in the description. You can post everything. It doesn't have to be headers, but people keep posting headers because that's all they make. But I really want to do like posters or something like that. I think that would be fun as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.